Hello everyone, good afternoon. I hope everyone is having a happy Friday and I hope you guys are ready for the weekend. Today I am back with another Python coding challenge. Today I am on week of September 25th and we are going to tackle the hard challenge, which is called HTML tag extractor. As usually, I'll leave a link down in the description in case you guys want to check out the website for yourselves and get into any coding challenges. But for now, let's go ahead and read through the instructions. So it says HTML tags are often used to format and organize content on web pages. Your task is to write a function named extract tags, and it takes in that parameter of HTML_string that accepts a string HTML, which is called HTML string, represent a portion of an HTML document. Extracts and returns all unique HTML tags without attributes from the string. The function should use regular expressions to identify and extract the tags. Note, a typical HTML tag looks like, and they have the tag name there, and then they have that closing tag name. And you need to extract tag name out of it. Some tags might also be self-closing, like this one they display here, which is a little bit different format-wise. And then here they give us some strings we can use to go ahead and test our function at the end there. As usual, you guys see when I have an issue or I need to research something, I kind of code it out for you guys, then I explain what I did. So let's go ahead and get started here. I don't really use regular expressions a lot, so I'm not really familiar with it. So this time I decided to go ahead, do some research, become more familiar with it, watch a few videos so I'm more comfortable before tackling this challenge. So here is where I actually imported the actual module, because that is what we're going to be using as stated, regular expressions. And here I declared the function, which is extract tags. In our parameter, we want to accept HTML string. So here is my pattern here. One of the things that helped me figure out the pattern was while I was doing research on YouTube, I found a few videos that sort of helped me. Let me show you guys what video that was. Give me 1 second. I'll be right back. Okay, guys. So this was a site I learned about through a YouTube video. It is regx101.com. And I learned about it through this channel here, Code Basics. He does a great job of explaining a lot of concepts in coding, so I would recommend this channel anytime you need to do any research or you're lost. I'll leave a link to this video in the description below in case you guys want to watch it. But with this, what it allows you to do is essentially practice the expressions. And once you figure out the expression you need to use, you can automatically just copy this and put it in your code. So it gives you a way to experiment with stuff and figure it out on your own. All right, so let's go back to the code. All right, guys, so we're back to the code. So here's my pattern, which I use that website to help me create. And once I found that pattern, I was able to create a variable and use regular expression find all to find all of the elements in my pattern. And we're going to get that pattern from the string that is passed in the argument. And from there, I am just returning it as a set. And that will return all of the tags here at the bottom, because I'm returning that result here. And then here is me creating the test cases after I created the string for each example. One there, one here. And then we are just printing out the return of the function. And as you see here, here is the outcome. You see from the first one, we have the paragraph, the div, and the a tag here. And then for the last one, we have the header, the title, and the meta. And actually, I don't think I even need to make this a set. Let me see what would happen if I think list all will work as well. But I'm just doing a set just to make sure we don't have any duplicates. But let's see what list all will return. Okay, so that'll work as well. I think I use the set here just in case they have multiple number of tags of the same tag in a string. So I think I'll leave it as a set. But either way, looks like it'll bring the right result for these strings in our examples. But we'll leave it the way we had it. Let me know how you guys would have went about solving it. Let me know if you have any tips for me. Everyone enjoy the weekend. Thanks so much for watching. And that's it, guys. Bye-bye.